Mga service! Mga service nyo!
Points natin ay 10-8. 2 points lead by Dala Hospital. Alright, nice spot with number 14. Nakuha pa rin. Dinalik number 14. And the ball is inside. So mga spectators natin, please keep our cheers to the minimum. Nice service by number 5. Na-receive by number 2. And then, yan, tingnan natin. Sinet by number 7. Pinalo! Service by number 5. Yan, pinalo. Nice receive. Papaluin ni 13.